Have you ever mixed baking soda and vinegar? What happened? Let's do that experiment. Let's take a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and place it in a glass. And let's now add a fourth of a cup of vinegar to our baking soda, and let's see what happens. Something clearly is happening. Is a gas produced when we mix baking soda and vinegar? In experiment 6, we showed that gas molecules are farther apart than liquid molecules. In our glass, we mixed a solid, baking soda, and a liquid together. And we got a large volume of bubbles forming in our glass. This strongly suggests that a gas is made when we mix baking soda and vinegar. But let's look at another experiment that proves that a gas is made when we mix baking soda and vinegar. So let me move this out of the way. Let me bring in this large bottle. I'm going to need a funnel, a pencil, and a balloon. We're going to carry out the same reaction that we carried out in our glass, but we're going to carry it out in our bottle. So let's add a quarter cup of vinegar to our bottle. And now I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of baking soda in my balloon. And I'm going to use the funnel to do this. It'll become clear in just a minute why I'm adding the baking soda to the balloon. Okay? So let me take the pencil now and push the baking soda down the funnel and into the balloon. Okay? There, it's all in there now. Now I'm going to attach the balloon onto my bottle, which contains the vinegar. Now I haven't mixed the baking soda and vinegar yet, but when I turn the balloon up, I will mix them. Let's see what happens. I'm starting to mix the baking soda and the vinegar, and let's shake the baking soda and vinegar together. You can see in the bottle that bubbles were produced. Now look at the balloon. Notice that the balloon has inflated. The balloon has trapped the gas that was produced when the baking soda and vinegar were mixed. So, these observations show us that a gas is indeed produced when baking soda and vinegar are mixed. What is the gas that's produced? Well, carbon dioxide is produced when you mix baking soda and vinegar together. Carbon dioxide is produced through a chemical change or a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, atoms are rearranged. The chemical substances in baking soda and vinegar underwent a chemical change, and some of the atoms rearranged to form carbon dioxide gas, which was trapped in our balloon. Did you know that the chemical substance in baking soda is used in the making of biscuits, and that a similar chemical change occurs, like we just saw here, when biscuits are made? The carbon dioxide gas that is produced when biscuits are made are trapped in the bread dough. When the bread dough is placed in a hot oven, the carbon dioxide molecules start to move faster. This causes the gas bubbles to expand, and this is why biscuits rise when they are baked in an oven.